Hello everyone. For this tutorial video, I'd like to explain how the addition rule works for probabilities. If we take a survey of different students having different preferences for different animals, like this, and divide it into specific sections of male students, female students, and total students, male and female, we see that the probabilities add up, but only the probabilities under one specific category. For example, the probability that a student is male throughout the whole survey is 48, and the probability that they prefer a dog without regard for gender is 56. So we state that if two probabilities do not combine in this way, then they are mutually exclusive because they mutually exclude each other, where the mutual part means that they do the same thing to each other at the same time, and the exclusive part means that they are not affected by each other. So mutually exclusive literally means that neither of the probabilities will affect each other or add to each other. So for example, because preferred dogs and preferred cats are two separate categories, they are mutually exclusive because they can never happen at the same time by the way the survey was organized. Now that we have explained how addition works for probabilities, as well as given the caveat that addition only works if the probabilities are in the same category, we can discuss more complicated probabilities, such as multiplication of probabilities next, as well as an explanation of what an independent probability is. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.